So is this just a domestic squabble? Does it warrant an investigation by the Jammu and Kashmir police? The charges are very grave. You also hear of the past charges that have been leveled. But have they been investigated? And is this just now political? Joining me on the broadcast is Saira Shah Halim. She speaks for Sheila Rashid. She's talking about the BJP going after opposition voices. RP Singh represents the Bharatiya Janata Party. Kuldeep Khoda is former Director General of the Jammu and Kashmir Police. But I first want to go to Abdul Rashid Shora, who's Sheila Rashid's father. And sir, the timing of your allegations against your own daughter. She has she's a budding politician. Her career is just picking up. And this is the time you've leveled grave charges after they leveled charges of domestic abuse against you, sir.
Domestic violence is not my issue. I have proved it in my appeal that I have submitted in second additional session judge, that charges leveled against me are false, baseless. I have got a court remedy against all those charges. Those were leveled against me by my family.
Okay, but when you say that you suspect anti-national activity was happening under your roof, what is the proof of anti-national activity? What do you mean by anti-national activity? Again, the timing of your complaint and your allegations, sir.
I am talking to you that it was a case of domestic violence that was leveled against me in third additional municipal court, which I have challenged based on the proof that I have submitted along with my appeal, and court has approved my appeal and given me a stay against this order. And otherwise also that order was a unilateral order. Without hearing me, the judge had passed an order in ex parte base. So I have not been consulted, I have not been given a chance to give a statement in that court. It was totally a unilateral decision by the court, which I have challenged.
No, that's about the complaint of domestic violence that's been leveled against you. But the charges that you've leveled against your daughter, sir, you said 3 crore rupees were offered to you / her. Why were these 3 crore rupees offered? Who offered this 3 crore rupees? And what is the evidence that 3 crore rupees was offered, sir?
Evidence is my own self. I was offered, which I refused, and subject matter of the refusal was that I had never been in conversation with my daughter regarding this issue. I told them simply that let her come after 7 to 8 days. I will let you know whether she has to accept it or not.
No, sir, it's a very grave charge. 3 crore rupees were being offered to your daughter. Who was offering 3 crore rupees to your daughter? Why were they offering 3 crore rupees to your daughter? What was the purpose? Where was the money coming from? Is there any evidence? Where did this sum come from? How have you come up with this figure?
It was the organization which she joined later on, the organization of Jammu Kashmir People's Movement, the party through which she was a member and given a post of General Secretary.
Sir, when you say that your daughter was in touch with people like Zahoor Watali and Engineer Rashid, and you want this aspect to be investigated, you want the money flow to be investigated, you want her bank accounts to be investigated, on what grounds, sir? The basic premise of any investigation is suspicion. What's the suspicion, sir? What is the evidence of any association or illegality that you allege?
Because she was in an organization which belonged to them. Sheila was basically in an organization which was wholly and solely run by 3 people: Pirzada, Rashid Engineer and Watali Saab.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.